Welcome back to part 2 of our chart customization guide on DXtrade. In part 1, we covered how to customize the charts using the toolbar. Today, we're taking it a step further by navigating through the chart settings on DXtrade. To begin, let's open the chart settings. In the drop-down menu, you'll notice a variety of options. We'll go through each of these settings one by one. Starting with the General tab, here you can choose to show or hide various features like high and low values, horizontal or vertical grid lines, candlewick, and even the watermark, which displays the name and the time frame of the instrument in the background of the chart. Simply select the checkbox next to the feature you want to display or hide. You can also customize what appears on the crosshair, giving you complete control over the chart's appearance. Next up, we have trading. In this section, you can enable or disable features like trading directly from the charts. You can also choose to show or hide active orders, open positions, and executions. Moving on to the Legend tab. Here you can show or hide the instrument name, OHLC values, volume value, and aggregation period. Let's say we want OHLC values. Just select the checkbox, and you can see the values at the top left corner of the chart window. Now, let's talk about scales. This section allows you to invert or lock the scale of the chart. One of the most popular features here is enabling the bid and ask lines. To do this, select Labels and Lines, then select Bid and Ask, and you'll see the bid and ask lines displayed on the chart. There are plenty of other options here for you to explore, so feel free to play around with them to find what suits your trading style best. Next is Data. This setting lets you align the data with the session start and adjust it according to volume. Now, let's dive into the Colors tab. This is where the real customization begins. From here, you can change the colors of the chart, like adjusting the colors of bullish and bearish candles. Let's go ahead and change the background color as an example. If you're not happy with the new color, no worries. You can easily revert it by clicking Reset to default. Lastly, we have paddings. If you prefer more space around the chart, just increase the percentage for the top, right, and bottom margins. Let's say we want 30% for the top margin, and you'll notice more space at the top instantly. You can do the same for the right and bottom margins as well. After customizing, don't forget to save your layout by heading to the top right corner. Simply click on Save Layout As, name it, and click Save. Now, whenever you want to load the customized chart, it's just a click away. Head to the top right corner and select your saved layout to load it. That's it for the charts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.